Website traffic is only valuable when it translates into conversions. Are you maximizing your website's potential, or are visitors leaving without taking action? The difference often lies in a strategic approach to web design and a meticulous analysis of user behavior. Data-driven A/B testing allows you to pinpoint areas for improvement and implement changes that directly impact your bottom line. Let's delve into actionable strategies to improve your website's conversion rates and create a website that converts. So you're driving traffic to your website. That's a great start. But here's the critical question. Are those visitors actually converting? Conversion rate optimization, CRO, is about maximizing that potential, turning browsers into buyers, leads, or whatever your goal might be. It's the art and science of persuading visitors to take action. And frankly, most websites aren't doing it effectively. Consider this. The average website conversion rate sits around a mere 2.35%. Now just imagine doubling that. Studies consistently show that improving conversion rates can boost revenue by 20% or more. That gap? That's where the opportunity lies. A/B testing emerges as a crucial tool in bridging that gap, providing a data-driven method to identify and implement changes that bridge this gap and unlock your website's true potential. The foundation: data analysis and web design. Let's break down the foundation of effective website optimization: data analysis and web design. It's not about guesswork, it's about understanding your audience and their behavior. Data analysis. First, data analysis is paramount. Think of it as your website's diagnostic tool. Without it, you're essentially operating in the dark. Tools like Google Analytics can illuminate where users are dropping off, revealing critical insights into your website's pain points. For instance, a high bounce rate on a specific landing page signals a potential issue with content relevance or page design. This isn't just anecdotal. Companies that leverage customer analytics see a 126% year-over-year increase in lead generation. That's a clear indication that data-driven decisions translate to tangible results. By meticulously tracking user interactions, you can pinpoint the exact areas that require optimization. Web design. Next, consider the profound impact of web design on conversion rates. It's more than aesthetics. It's about functionality and user experience. Simple changes can yield dramatic results. For example, the color of your call to action, CTA buttons, can significantly influence user behavior. Studies have shown that changing a button color from green to red in certain contexts can increase conversion rates by up to 21%. Similarly, the layout of your landing pages, the placement of key elements, and the clarity of your navigation all play crucial roles. These elements dictate how easily visitors can find the information they need and complete desired actions. User experience. Finally, user experience, UX, is the linchpin of successful website optimization. A well-designed UX minimizes friction and guides users seamlessly through your website. Consider this. A study by Forbes found that a well-designed UX can raise a website's conversion rates by up to 400%. This statistic underscores the importance of intuitive navigation, fast loading speeds, and mobile responsiveness. If users struggle to find information or encounter technical glitches, they are likely to abandon your site. By prioritizing UX, you create a seamless and enjoyable experience that encourages conversions. It's about more than just looking good. It's about being functional, accessible, and user-friendly. Data analysis informs the necessary design changes, while effective web design enhances the user experience, creating a holistic approach to optimizing your website for maximum conversions. Core A/B testing strategies. So, you want to know how to really dial in your website's performance? Let's talk A/B testing. This isn't just about making guesses. It's about using data to find out what actually works. It's the process of directly comparing two versions of a web page or element, the control and the variation, to discern which performs better for a specific goal. This data-driven approach removes guesswork and allows for informed decisions based on user behavior. The methodology is straightforward. Create a variation of a page element you suspect can be improved. This could be anything from a headline to a call to action button. Divide your website traffic evenly between the original, control, and the new version variation. Then measure the performance of each version based on your chosen metrics, such as conversion rates, click-through rates, or time spent on page. Simple, right? But the devil's in the details. Now, what should you be testing? Headlines and copy. Think of these as your first impression. Are you grabbing attention? Testing different value propositions like unlock your business potential versus maximize revenue growth today lets you see which message resonates. But don't stop there. Test the tone, the length, the clarity. Is your copy concise and benefit-driven, or are you losing people in a sea of words? Remember, words matter. They're your direct line to your audience. For example, testing a question-based headline against a statement can reveal which sparks more curiosity and engagement. Call to action (CTA) buttons. These are your conversion gateways. Are they working hard enough? Test placement, color, and wording. Learn more versus get started now can make a real difference. And don't forget personalization. Those personalized CTAs convert 202% better, remember? Size, shape, white space, every detail counts. Consider testing microcopy within the CTA, like adding a sense of urgency, limited time offer, or reassurance, no credit card required. Form fields, friction kills conversions. Are your forms a roadblock? Reducing fields like that study showing a 120% increase by going from 11 to 4 is a no-brainer. But also test layout and labeling. Clear, concise labels are your friend. Test different form field types. Perhaps a drop-down menu is more efficient than a text field for certain data. Remember to test mobile versions of your forms as well. Images and videos, visuals drive decisions. Are yours doing their job? Test different product images and try adding videos. High-quality visuals are essential, but are they optimized? Load times matter. Test different formats and sizes. Consider testing the placement of your visual content and the use of interactive elements, such as 360-degree product views. Page layout, user experience is key. Are you guiding visitors effectively? Test moving elements above the fold and try different layouts. An intuitive flow can make or break a conversion. Test heat maps that show you where users are clicking and adjust your layout accordingly. Consider testing different navigation menus and breadcrumb trails. Setting up these tests requires precision. You need clear goals, defined metrics, and statistical significance to trust your results. Tools like Google Optimize, HubSpot Optimizely, and VWO are your allies here. They provide the infrastructure to run these experiments and analyze the data. And remember, this is an ongoing process. Every test is a learning opportunity, a chance to refine and improve. That's how you turn data into real results. Don't be afraid to test unconventional ideas, but always back them up with data. The more you test, the more you learn, and the better your website will perform. Iterative design and continuous improvement. Okay, let's talk about the long game. Iterative design and continuous improvement. Your website isn't a static entity. It's a dynamic, evolving tool. And that means optimization isn't a one-and-done deal. It's an ongoing process. Iterative design is the concept of making incremental improvements based on continuous testing and analysis. Think of it as a cycle. You test, you learn, you adjust, and you repeat. Why is this so important? Because even small, incremental improvements can compound over time, leading to significant gains. It's about consistently refining your approach, not just making occasional tweaks. Regular testing and optimization are your keys to staying ahead of the curve. User behavior changes, trends shift, and what worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. Now, how do you keep this cycle going? Data. Data is your compass. Using data to refine and improve your testing strategies is crucial. Companies with a data-driven marketing strategy are 6x more likely to achieve a competitive advantage. That's a serious edge. By analyzing your A/B testing results and website analytics, you can identify patterns and trends that inform your next round of tests. And speaking of trends, that's where long-term data analysis comes in. Analyzing data over time can reveal seasonal patterns or changes in user behavior that impact conversion rates. For example, you might notice a surge in mobile traffic during specific hours or a dip in sales during certain months. Understanding these trends allows you to proactively adjust your strategies, ensuring your website is always optimized for maximum performance. It's not just about reacting to what's happening now, but anticipating what's coming next. Embrace the data-driven advantage. Test, test, test. Your website's potential is not fixed. It's malleable and ready to be shaped by data and strategic testing. The insights we've explored, from leveraging granular data analysis to the relentless pursuit of iterative design, are not just theoretical. They're the practical tools that separate thriving online businesses from those that stagnate. Don't settle for a website that merely exists. Demand one that converts. The digital landscape rewards those who are agile, informed, and committed to continuous improvement. Are you ready to transform your website from a passive presence to an active revenue generator? If you're serious about maximizing your online potential, consider partnering with experts who can help you navigate the complexities of data-driven conversion rate optimization. The journey to a high-converting website is nuanced, requiring a deep understanding of user behavior and a commitment to continuous refinement. Let Aspiration Marketing guide you through this process. We'll help you translate raw data into actionable strategies, ensuring your website not only attracts visitors, but converts them into loyal customers. Schedule a consultation with Aspiration Marketing today, and let's unlock your website's true potential together.